Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening a new Google Sheet. In this video, I will explain how to make a Google Finance sheet. You'll use the Google Finance function to pull real-time financial data. Simply input the stock tickers you want to track, and the sheet will populate with current information. This makes monitoring your investments straightforward and efficient. To fetch live stock data, type equals Google Finance, ticker into any cell, replacing ticker with your desired stock symbol. You can also specify attributes like price, high, or low to get particular data points. Google Sheets automatically updates this information every few minutes, ensuring your data is always current. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance by calculating total values using simple sum functions. Track your gains or losses over various periods to understand trends. For a clearer view, visualize your data with built-in charts and graphs. This helps you make informed decisions about your investments. Explore advanced features like conditional formatting to highlight significant changes or set up alerts. You can also import historical data to perform deeper analysis on past performance. Finally, share your Google Finance sheet with others for collaborative tracking and insights, making it a powerful tool for any investor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.